Speaker, I want to thank the Honourable Member for asking this question. I don't know why he has only asked for Kadavu when they should be talking about the entire country. I think they still can't come out of that initial notion of this is my area, so only I'll talk about my area, only they are important. Mr. Speaker, on Kadavu Island, the Ministry of Waterways have completed coastal protection works for Namuana village, 250 meters of seawall, and Tabuki District School, 300 meters of seawall worth $1.2 million. For the next financial year, we have earmarked nature-based seawall coastal protection works for Wailevu village, 300 meters, with approximate cost of Fijian $45,000, and Namuana village rock boulders extension of 150 meters, with an approximate cost of $30,000. So next financial year, these two areas, Wailevu village and Namuana village, are on our list. Of course, subject to funding. We'll look at the next budget. But in addition to these two, we also have requests for Nassau village 300 meters, Richmond High School 410 meter, Nambukilevu Primary School 360 meter, Nasengai village 400 meter, Labuka village 600 meter, Labuka Yala village 280 meter, Drabuwalu village 160 meter, Muani village 300 meter, Rakiraki village 300 meter, and Vambea village 300 meter. So this accumulates to a total length of 3.4 kilometers of coastal protection works that needs to be done in Kadavu Island. Thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.